Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a walkthrough of Yellow Dog Discs in Wilmington, North Carolina. And here in a minute, you can see the store hours right there. I'll pause on it for a second so you can take a look. I'd like to add a disclaimer, which I'll be doing several times through the video, I believe. When you see something in here that you like, understand that the stock changes every day. People come in, buy stuff, and they get more stuff. And so just because you see it in this video doesn't mean that they have it. So check online, give them a call, see if they've got it. What I'm flipping through at the moment is used vinyl, the brand new used vinyl. A pretty great selection. And if you have any questions about it, you can actually just very carefully take it out of the sleeve and take a look at it and put it right back. There's used cassette tapes. I believe they have a few new ones as well up top. I don't think I took a look at those. But anyway, those are the ones I usually get if I'm going to get cassette tapes. I usually get the used ones. And near the end of the video, we're going to look at the new arrival used CDs, but not right now because somebody's looking at them and I didn't want to bother them. So there's some Funko Pops up there. These are movies for sale, not for rent. So DVDs, and they also have some Blu-ray. Up top here are the more expensive records. These are limited edition and very special printings of these albums. If you have any questions, the staff here can tell you exactly what is special about these records and why they cost a little more, because they're real collector's items. If it makes the above wall, they're real collector's items. So their regular stock is on the floor, and we'll take a look at that in a few minutes. A special thanks to Tim Freeman, who's the owner-manager and allowed me to shoot the video. You can reach him at tim@yellowdogdiscs.com. They buy, sell, trade used CDs, DVDs, games, and vinyl. They also sell some new vinyl. But the address is 351-1 South College Road in Wilmington, North Carolina. And the phone number there is 910-792-0082. There's more DVDs. Also, you can take a look at their stock. There's a buy 3 get 1 free used videos. That's cool. You can take a look at their stock at www.yellowdogdiscs.com. There's some metal CDs, used CDs. The prices on these, you just open up the CD and the price is inside and the CD is not inside. You take the case up front and they'll hunt the CD for you. You can also give them your phone number and your name and they'll put you on file, and they keep track of how much you spend, and after a certain amount you get like $10 off when you like if you buy like a CD that's over $10 and then another CD that's under $10, they give you like the cheaper one free. That's after you spend a certain amount of money. I'm not sure how much. I forget. Anyway, any questions you can call and ask. That's near the front. In the case there is some patches you could sew on a jacket of bands and stickers. And let's see, soundtrack CDs. Those are blues. Country music, that's new and old country music. Artists, in other words. I mean, of course, it's used, but. And these are extras they had from Record Store Day, I guess, posters and postcards and such. This usually is the overstock from Record Store Day, I think, in the $10 boxes, and all of them are sealed. There's hip hop. And these right here are the new arrivals, brand new, like right out of the factory. So they're factory sealed. And that Led Zeppelin there, that's factory sealed new. It's not from the 70s, it's from 2024. Arctic Monkeys. Although from time to time you can find an original Led Zeppelin album in the used stock, which we'll find that little section in a minute. Under pre-owned. This is pre-owned country, but they also have there's brand new metal, and they'll also have pre-owned metal. Just about any kind of music you're looking for, they've got it. They sell some record players, as you can see. And t-shirts. And action figures. There's RZA from the Wu-Tang Clan. .45s. They also have like sets of, well, see, there's a big set of albums there, a collection. This is brand new pop rock, and on the opposite side, or pretty close to that, is the original used pop and rock. A lot of the same titles, but these are the brand new ones. If you're looking to collect originals, they've got some originals as well of some artists. Some of them may be these artists, and some may be other artists. So there's the a bunch of Funko Pops. They got a lot of Funko Pops, being a vinyl store. There you go, vinyl Funko Pops and vinyl records. But you know, Funko Pops are made out of vinyl, so there you go. There's a shot of the entire store. I'll probably get another one before I head out of here. So please like and subscribe to the channel, and share this video. I'm going to blaze through some of these Funko Pops so you can take a look. All kinds. I think, yep, there's Lemmy and some other rock and roll folks and superheroes and anime. And some of the Funko Pops are driving cars and riding dragons and rockets. And then there's really big Funko Pops. Yep. There's some of the box sets. Looks like a rat. I think I saw a David Bowie as well. There's some supplies to clean your records with. There's video games. They also have a few consoles, but there's video games, and down at the bottom some used Skylanders, some DS games. All kinds of different brands. There's some consoles. Here's the alternative and punk rock section. There's Panic at the Disco, and that's punk rock, but C4? I don't know, I'm not sure. Stabbing Westward. There's William Shatner and the Cramps. I did not know they did a collaboration. Primus. The Cure. Let's see, and now we're in the brand new alternate and punk section, so that's brand new. There's pre-owned pop rock. There's Seals and Croft, I think. If you're wondering what I'm doing there, I am flipping through records and my camera zoomed up there. If you were wondering what happened to Thomas Dolby's car, aliens ate it. So now you know. These are hand-drawn prints. Pretty impressive. And they have posters. Just kind of blazing through here right quickly, giving you an idea. Pretty cool place to go and visit in Wilmington. I suggest you drop by. There might be another 1 or 2 record stores in Wilmington, but this one is my favorite one. There's a shot of the whole store. And before I check on out of here, now that the person has moved, I'm going to the new arrival used CDs, my favorite section. I think I'll pick up a Creedence Clearwater Revival CD and also a Motley Crue CD. And then we'll be done pretty quickly after that. I appreciate you watching the video. Please like and subscribe. There's that Motley Crue that I picked up. Thanks for watching, guys.